Hey, Nathan here from the Phantom Booster team. Today's playbook is all about getting and engaging fresh leads daily on LinkedIn. Here is the problem. Static lead lists eventually run dry, and your pipeline, it needs a steady stream of new prospects to stay healthy. So how do you keep that flow going automatically? In this playbook, I will show you how to use Sales Navigator dynamic searches, combine it with Phantom Booster's Watcher mode, and automate daily lead capture and outreach. The results? Pipeline on autopilot with relevant high-quality prospects added and engaged every single day. Ready to keep your pipeline full without lifting a finger every morning? Let's jump into the playbook. So let's give it a try with the Sales Navigator Search Export Phantom. We click on Use Now, and if I go directly to the Behavior step, click on Advanced Behavior Settings, here you will see that you have the option of selecting the Watcher mode. You should always select it if you are planning to launch your Phantom multiple times. And if you are creating some dynamic searches on Sales Navigator in this case, or on LinkedIn, if you are searching on LinkedIn. If I go to my Sales Navigator search, you will see that here I started my search with sales manager in Boston in the US. These are static filters. It means that I will not get new results every day, or maybe I will get, but that won't be a lot. At this step, I would like to add a dynamic filter like posted on LinkedIn. Here, if I select this one, I will be able to get the people posting on LinkedIn during the past 30 days. So it means that every day I will get new people matching these filters. So if I want to extract my ICPs in order to connect and engage with them on LinkedIn, this is a good strategy because every day I will get new people entering flow. And also I can make sure that these people are active on LinkedIn because they are posting. So I will take this URL, copy it and paste it here on my input. I will connect my LinkedIn accounts, and on the behavior, we are ready to go because I already selected the Watcher mode. Important thing here, I want to launch my Phantom multiple times because the objective of this flow is to watch when there are new results, new leads matching my filters, so I'm able to connect and engage with them. So I would like to click on repeatedly and maybe launch this Phantom every day. As we are looking for people posting on the last 30 days, it will mean that tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, I will get new people. So I will select once per day and then I will save. Okay, so my Phantom ran successfully. I extracted these 97 profiles and now I would like to connect and engage with them. So I will go back on browsing the solutions, click on all solutions, and I will use this flow, connect and send follow-up messages. Here I will input my previous Phantom, which might be this one because I didn't give any name. I will click save, connect my LinkedIn accounts. On the invitation message, I will leave it like this because I don't want to use any notes alongside my invitation. And then I will schedule a first follow-up message, planning to sending it maybe one day after the person is accepting me. And I will write, hi, first name, have seen one of your posts on LinkedIn. I thought it would be nice to have you in my network. Best Nathan. Okay, then maybe a second follow-up message if the person is not answering me. Planning to sending it maybe 5 days after. Hi, first name. I'm following up as I had a question. Have you ever tried to use Phantom Booster at company name? Okay, so now I will send a connection request and two follow-up messages to each of these 97 leads. And every day there will be new leads incoming because new people are posting on LinkedIn. So I'm ready with this flow. I will save, click save on the invitations. 20 is fine. Sending it during weekdays. It's okay. And now I can activate my flow. My flow is activated. I will be able on the leads tabs here to have a look at the status of the leads. If I already invited them in my network, if I send them a message, if they reply to my messages. And then on the report tab, I will be able to follow the progress of the flow. And that's it for this playbook. Quick recap. Set up your dynamic search on Sales Navigator, then automate daily lead capture using Watcher mode, and automate your LinkedIn outreach to those fresh leads. It's all about going beyond static lists and keeping your pipeline filled with new relevant prospects every single day. Give this playbook a try and see what daily automation can do for your growth. Catch you next time.